Well, she just sizzles right out, don't she?
She may not sizzle.
It'd be nice to catch her at her.
Yeah.
What's the model number of this thing?
On the corner.
9000. TR-9000. Yeah. And she's got a problem that the display goes out on it. Just fizzles out.
That's it. Fizzles out. Give her a tap when she comes back in. And of course I won't do it this time. Will not work. Almost starting to do with it.
You're gonna make a liar out of you.
Need all the wiring, you know?
Yeah. Touch her anywhere on the board. It's like she just does it herself.
Yep.
Just display just dulls right out.
Yep, basically.
And goes back to 2 dots. Well, if anybody knows about anything about a Kenwood TR-9000 and got the same issue or know of a fix, let us know.